Hey, I'm Farhan at Damon Motorsports, and I got great news for you. It's finally available, our billet intake manifold. And since this thing is ready for purchase now, I wanted to go over some of the features of this with you. Starting with the throttle body mount. This is going to be available with a center throttle body mount or a 90-degree throttle body mount that'll put it near where the stock intake manifold puts your throttle body. It is also going to come with ports for additional PI injectors, and we'll have the option of putting a block-off plate for those injectors just in case you don't need the fuel. Like the stock intake manifold, we have a horizontal mount for the map sensor, and it is well clear of any shroud or radiator, so you won't have any issues there. We also have a ton of ports on the bottom for you, so if you want, you can actually not use a vacuum block at all and use all these ports available to you. There's also mounting points to put a bracket in for a dipstick, as well as potential mounting points for a catch can if you want to mount that off the side of your intake manifold. Everything is put together with O-rings. No flat gaskets anywhere. O-ring between these two guys, as well as O-rings that go to your intake manifold and dialed into location. These runners, you can kind of see from that view, are actually tapered. They start off bigger at the plenum and narrow in as you get to the intake manifold just to get you that little bit extra velocity of air. The runners also have a very generous radius on the plenum side to get a little more air in there. Whether you take the 90-degree or the center mount option for the throttle body, in either case, you're gonna get a nice oval transition going from the throttle body into the plenum. We found through some analysis that this does actually help distribute the air a little more evenly across that manifold and actually helps increase the amount of air that can flow through. Install is super simple, including a dowel that goes from the manifold to the head, as well as all 10mm head bolts on the manifold side. And actually there's enough clearance in the middle, you can just put it on with a ratcheting wrench. In the stock location, the high pressure fuel pressure sensor will run into the manifold. To fix that, we made a nice little fitting that uses banjo washers, a banjo bolt, to put that out of the way.